the vineyards in the morning light, past little village streets so peaceful and bright, wheels humming softly on the winding way, through the heart of Alsace on a summer day. Rows of vines stretch far across the land, golden fields and flowers painted by nature's hand. Every turn revealed another perfect view, as Colmar slowly came into sight anew. Oh, Colmar, shining in the sun, a journey through the old town, a day of fun. From the city square to the fountain spray, through cobbled streets where history stays. Little Venice drifting by so gracefully, a postcard scene beside the water's melody. Every corner held a story to be told, in the timeless charm of Colmar's old town gold. We arrived by the square where the people gathered round, beside the park fountain with its gentle sound, then wandered onward through the old town lanes, past Renaissance houses and window panes, cobblestones beneath us, flowers overhead, colors and reflections wherever we tread. Half-timbered houses line the waterways, like stepping into memories from another age. Oh, Colmar, shining in the sun, a journey through the old town, a day of fun. From the city square to the fountain spray, through cobbled streets where history stays. Little Venice drifting by so gracefully, a postcard scene beside the water's melody. Every corner held a story to be told, and the timeless charm of Colmar's old town gold. Then aboard a flat-bottom boat we sailed away, gliding through the canals on a peaceful day, past flower-filled balconies leaning to the stream, like drifting slowly through a painter's dream. The market gardener's quarter came into view, wrapped in generous greenery,